Okay, so there's been some changes to Edpuzzle as well as browser updates. So we've got LTI updates with Edpuzzle with how it communicates, talks to Blackboard, as well as, we always have browser and or other app and software updates, and things can kind of get in a frenzy or go haywire. So in this course here, music, MUSI 1310 American Music, the CBE course, as well as other courses I teach, you might be having an issue. So let me walk you through. I'm going to go to the Start Here module, and let's go over to American Music How-To Videos. We're going to click that, and we're just going to simulate one here. So I need to come over here to click Launch. All right, American Music How-To Videos Edpuzzle. It's taken a second there. All right, now I've already tested one, if I can talk today, as always. So this is good to go. I can see it's complete. I see the grade, progress, everything looks good. Now, I want to go to the next video. They're locked as it's a sequential thing here. So let's click mistakes to avoid when submitting Edpuzzle. Maybe that one should be first. Okay. And I want to see it a little more. All right. I'm going to X out of this part here. Well, first I need to go over here. Note, please watch until the very end. You will have a quiz once you complete this video. Make sure that you take typed or handwritten notes. All right. Now, the rewatch is there for this one because I actually had already came in here and watched a couple seconds of this one. So you may not see the rewatch if you haven't actually started the video yet. But I'm going to continue. Okay, I'm just going to let the video run here. So it's running. This is going to be a little different. Okay, it's just taking you through. Well, let's follow it, showing that you there's no speed up. You got to watch them in regular time. Okay, what do we got next here? Okay, the video's okay. It's locked. Okay, showing you how to change and adjust the volume. Okay, cool. All right, make it bigger. Sure. Maximize, minimize. All right. So far, so good. Open-ended. Most of all the Edpuzzles I have now, they're not open-ended anymore. They're all multiple choice questions. So, I've changed that, of course. Okay. Me just kind of testing that. Yeah, you don't want to click down here on all this. That take you to the regular YouTube. It just pops up. And the idea behind Edpuzzles, it's educational. There shouldn't be any ads. Although it's not perfect. But the Edpuzzle should be uninterrupted so you can really focus on the work. Now, if you do have issues, of course, please reach out. Another lesson down, click Submit to turn this on. Okay, I have to let this video run just so I can show you the changes. Okay, moving forward. Okay. I'm just letting it run because I can't actually fast forward my own video. It's the way that I set it up. Now we get to the multiple choice question. Okay, remember on Edpuzzle. Let's see, watch the video all the way to the end, answer every question, and make sure that you get to the last screen. Another lesson down, click Submit to turn this in. Okay, well, yeah, I could read through all the rest, but just enjoy the video, watch the video until you get the gist. Get some snacks and chill before you watch the video. Let's go with the first one. And let's click the Submit button. That's very important. Okay. Now, I need to hit Continue, okay? And just to make sure, I'm going to bring that down. Wow, see, that's a lot because now I get over here where it says Nailed It, Impressive Work, and we need to hit Submit and Continue. Okay, and it takes me to the next video. Now I want to X out of that just to verify. Okay, cool. So everything should work as planned if you kind of follow all that stuff. So now you can see that this one is complete and I have the grade and the progress perfect. This one's complete, have the grade and the progress is perfect. what can happen is it might show completed, but there might not be any grade if you don't get all those steps that I went through. So let me X out of this one. Okay. So I hope that helps a little bit. If there's any other issues, I'll make another short video if need be. I know this can be frustrating when things don't work properly, but again, hope it helps. This is Professor Ron with some Blackboard tips and tricks. Have a wonderful day, an awesome semester, and please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always here, ready to help students with whatever you need in my courses: American music, music appreciation, and of course any music and or percussion courses, recording courses, whatever it is. I'm here to help. All right, we'll see you. Bye.